How to enable picture in picture on YouTube. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to enable picture in picture on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, locate YouTube applications icon on your home screen. Long press on the app icon. A menu pop up where you need to select eye icon to access app info. Once you access app info page of YouTube, scroll down. Here you need to locate picture in picture, select that and make sure you toggle the button on for picture in picture and make it to blue. This allows application to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it, for example to continue watching a video. This window will be displayed on top of other apps you are using. So in this way, you can easily enable picture in picture on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.